What's up, CloudLife? It's Cash Flow Nexus, your favorite chart analyst, back again, giving you the latest and greatest updates on crypto and XRP with Ichimoku technical analysis. And we are looking at XRP versus the dollar. I want to keep this brief and short for you guys. I do want to say that I just finished doing a Bible study, and giving a prophetic word. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check it out on my YouTube channel. I'll leave the link to my YouTube channel so you guys could check it out. But I'm going to do a quick update on XRP. I wanted you guys to know that on the daily time frame, we are in this range between 26 cents and low 23 cents. Right now, price is showing some weakness on the daily chart. Right now, we are having a hard time at this resistance up here. I said if we can't get through here, we should see price decline. And another reason why I'm leaning to the downside, just a brief short move, we have broke this mother candle, and it looks like what price is trying to break to the downside currently. Price is coming probably down to this blue line, which will take us down to at least between 25 cents 104 and 25 cents 191. So I am looking at that as the price could possibly move lower. Looking here on the 1 hour time frame, we see that the cloud is getting weak. We see that this resistance has not been broken multiple times, and we see that the mother stick candle on this 1 hour time frame has been broken. So price is moving lower. We have a bearish cloud forming. It looks like price is going to go to the downside. Now, another thing that I do see as far as weakness, cloud is also showing us. So at this point, the price that needs to be broken for price to move lower is right here. I'm going to make this red. So if price breaks this level, I'm going to also do this so you guys could see this for yourself. If price breaks this level, I'm going to put a side note here. If price breaks fractal level, expect lower price and decline. All right, so that's what I have for you guys. Just be watching the market carefully. Pay attention to what's going on. If price breaks this 25 cent 378 level, expect the prices to move lower. All right, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this technical analysis with Ichimoku. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for the next, and peace.